Here we are, San Francisco School of Floral Design, our little mock garden European. Here's our student beginning right over there. Are you nervous about this one?
No.
See? How many days have you been designing flowers with me?
1 week.
4 days.
4 days.
I said it's a sample for a New York restaurant. This is your idea, your muse, you're inspired by a New York restaurant wants a piece for a sign-in table for Sunday brunch in the entryway, a loose garden vibe. This is what I'm doing. I call it Dutch Flemish design. It's inspired by, rambling gardens at the end of the year, where flowers are just beginning to fade, and it's a little bit overgrown because you're tired of taking care of and weeding everything. It's one of my favorite times of year for a garden. So join us in class, flowerschool101.com. Make all kinds of stuff. We do like 4 different designs in a day. Flower School 101.